chapter matrix, and our today's session is on order of matrices. Order of matrices. Actually, singular form it is called matrix, and when we are going to talk about many matrices, many more than one matrix, it's called matrices. First of all, we need to see why we need order of matrices. So first of all, it is very much important when you do different kind of uh, operations on the matrix, like if you want to do addition or you want to subtract matrices or you want to multiply, means to find the product, or you want to do inverse or transpose. These are the different operations which you can perform on matrices. While performing this kind of order, this kind of operations, you have to follow the order. So what is order of matrices, that we will learn in our today's session. So let's see that. Here I am writing one example of the matrix. Let's say I am writing. Whenever you want to write any matrix, the notation should be always capital. Now here if you see, I am writing few random numbers. Spatial arrangement you can have 1, 5, 3, 2, 1. Even it can be negative number, fraction, decimal, or even the letters are also required, possible. So here if you observe, this is called row 1. This is called row. This is called row 1. This is called row 2. So there are 2 rows in the matrices. So please remember, the number of rows in this matrix is 2. Now if I look about the another side, then this one is called first column, column 1. This one, it is called column 2, and here you have column 3. Let me change the thickness. So this third one is called column 3. So now if you observe here, we have seen that number of rows equals to 2 and number of columns in this one is 3. So order of this matrix, order of this example is, first we will write number of rows by number of columns. Some students do mistake there and they calculate 2 into 3 and the answer is 6. So they write order of this matrix is 6, which is completely wrong. This is one kind of example, like you have the room size. So you write 5 by 3 or 10 by 12 or 13 by 15. This kind of layouts you are using for rectangle or square. So similarly here also we have to use the same way the order of this matrix here, which we have taken example, is 2 by 3. Let's take one more example. Let's take one more example. How to take the new page? Let me see. Let me take another example. Say M. Yes, M is equals to X, Y, J, A, P, 2, 3 by 6, minus 1 and 8. Let's say this is one of the examples. Here if I see, this is called row 1. This one is called row 2. This one is called row 3. So here let me note down the number of rows equals to 3. Similarly, you can observe here this one is called column 1. This one, next one, that is called column 2, and the last column is column 3. So here we can write number of columns is also 3. So the order of the matrix, order of this matrix M, order of the matrix M is number of rows are 3 and number of columns are also 3. So 3 by 3 is the matrix which is presented here. I hope this is clear to you. For your practice, I am giving you more example which you can write down the order of those matrices. Yes, I'm giving 1 or 2 examples here. Let's say P is equals to 1, 3, 9. Q is equals to 5, 6, 2, 3. R is equals to 7, B, J. So these are the 3 examples. Please pause this video and write down the order of these 3 matrices. Hope you have written the video. So let's write the answer. Here you can see row 1, row 2, row 3. So number of rows are 3. Number of rows are 3 by number of columns, only 1 column is there. In second one, order of the matrix Q, first row, second row. So the order number of rows in Q is 2 and number of columns 1, 2. So number of columns also 2. In R, if you check, number of rows 1, 2, 3 by the number of columns 1. So 3 by 1 is the order of matrix R. So this is what about order of matrix. If you have any doubt, any question, please write down in the comment and like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel to get further videos regarding matrices. Thank you.